What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keon. I'm coming through with another review. Today I got the 2023 Toyota Highlander XSE. We're gonna start with this grill. It's a huge grill, fully open. Mean. LED daytime running lamps. Then your projector headlights. Fog lights here. Toyota really did a good job at designing this front end. It look mean, look sporty. Then you have the gloss black wheels, wrapped in Goodyear tires. Love this pearl white, the black trim. Sunroof. And this model is loaded with a bunch of technology and safety features, such as your lane assist, collision warning, auto windshield wipers. Love the styling around the side. It's a big truck. Dual exhaust. LED lamps on the back. Spoiler. Real nice truck. This model comes with an inline 4-cylinder turbo, producing 265 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. And it's also mated to an 8-speed transmission. Check out the inside though. I love the inside. I love the red on black interior. It's not too much red. It falls all the way to the second row with the captain's chairs, and then the back seats. This is black. Red and black also fall into the back. I said earlier. Do get the optional shades. The seats do lean back and also pull forward with these levels. This level's to pull forward. It's to lean all the way down, and it's to lean back. Cup holders. You get the rear AC controls. 2 USB Type-C chargers. And these seats in the back can also fold down as well. Leather wrapped steering wheel. The steering wheel has all your controls, such as immediate controls, voice command, lane keeping assist, cruise control. Also have adaptive cruise control. You got a digital display and analog display. And you can toggle through all your settings. They give you all types of details, such as your trip. You control the lane keeping assist settings. You give your tire pressure, your audio, and much more. You have more controls here. Auto stop start off. Your rear hatch, automatic brightness. Down here you have your gas, also your hood latch. The steering control is manual. All controls on the door. Here you got your 5 mode selector, so up for sport. And then in the middle for normal, and then eco. Also your electronic parking brake, your automatic hold, traction control, snow mode, cup holders. You got USB Type B, 2 USB Type C charging ports, and also traditional 12-volt charging port. Wireless charging. Stop-start button. You got your 12.3-inch display here. This is the upgraded option, and it comes with the JBL sound system. All your AC controls are here, and also they're on the screen as well. Your heated seats, rear control, rear sync. Love the styling of leather across with the red stitching. I don't know what material this is, but kind of like carbon fiber. Piano black finish. Toyota really did a good job. And of course your sunroof controls. Your SOS button, your lights. Sunglass holder, also a mirror to view your passengers if you got kids. Display has everything you need. Navigation. It does have wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You know, all your managed devices, phone settings, vehicle settings. So you can change the climate from the screen. It tells you when your maintenance is due, trip information, trip history. You can talk through all your settings. Bluetooth devices, your general settings such as time, languages, notification settings. Does have a hotspot. Display settings, navigation settings. Your lights. This model don't have the ambient lighting option. But yeah, this have everything you need right here on this display. Come around back. This compartment here holds all your tools to change the tire. This is the jack. This is the net. Other tools. It's for the locking nut. The tires here under the car. These seats do fold down, so we get more room for cargo. Go. Plenty of space back here. Started raining on me. Yeah, this truck is not really slow. Like, I wonder how much bigger is the Sequoia? Because the Sequoia, this is a huge vehicle. You know, I didn't realize the Highlanders had third row seating, but this is a big vehicle. So I wonder how much, you know, larger the Sequoia is. Probably get more storage space because there's not really too much storage space back there unless you fold the seats down. I'm spinning. That's third gear, I'm still spinning. But nah, this truck is not all that slow. You know, to weigh about 4,000, almost like a little 4,000 pounds. It moves. And I'm not even in sport. Let's keep going. There's a lot of torque there though. It's kind of like wallopy, like it when you go around the corners. I don't know how to explain it. But like I said, this is a big truck, so I really didn't expect it to handle like a car or a sports truck. But it is kind of sloppy. And this is not the all-wheel drive one, this is the front-wheel drive one. Yeah, so you just want to, it has a lot of low end torque, so you want to spin like in the corners. That's why it has a lot of torque still. The torque comes in at 1,700 RPM, so and you do get 310, so it comes. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this 2023 Toyota Highlander XSE. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel for more car content. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.